Here I have GIGASET GS160 and let me show you how to insert here the SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here, keep holding power button, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to find the cavity at the left down edge of the screen right here. Let's open this cavity by using your nail finger. You have to do it step by step from the bottom of your device to the top. Let's open the whole back panel, and now you have access to your battery and to your slots. As you can see here, you can insert two micro SIM and one micro SD. Let's start by inputting here the first micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here. So let's put this card right here and press it to the end. This is the first micro SIM. Let's use now the micro SD. Here I have the micro SD slot. So this is my memory card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position right here, and also let me press it to the end. Sorry, let me do it again. Alright, let's press it to the end. Now, in order to insert this micro SIM card, you have to open the battery. So let me remove the battery. And here let's insert the micro SIM, also with the characteristic edge right here. So let's put this card and let's press it to the end. Excellent, so that's it. You just insert here two micro SIMs and one micro SD. Now let's close the whole thing. Let's close the battery, the back cover. Let's insert back the back cover. Alright. Now you can press power key to switch on the device and make sure that both cards works properly. The GIGASET smartphone is turning on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Let's unlock the screen right here, and let me just make sure that both cards works properly. Tap apps icon, find and select the settings. And here you can choose SIM cards. As you can see, both SIM cards works on this device, the first slot and the second slot. You may also go back, scroll down and choose storage and USB. Here you can use the micro SD card, so it means that your memory card is working perfectly. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.